Have you guys ever had a valve stem that starts to leak around the base of it? Take a look right there. Right? And then you think to yourself, man, I got to dismount the tire to get that out. Well, back up here. Okay. This is the solution. This cool little kit allows you to install a new valve stem without taking the tire off. And I thought it was pretty cool. So let's see if it works.
Super easy steps.
You know, there's this hook. You can buy cheaper, I don't know how well they last, but on Amazon you can buy new valve stems. The kit comes with a few of them. And we need this hook thing. It doesn't want to come out of there because it's hooked. Come on, man. Being a pain. There's your hook that goes inside. Once you take the needle out, the valve stem out, I should say. Bear with me. So we take, actually no, this has got to go in like this. First let's take the needle out because it's got pressure on it. So that's the first thing. And we're supposed to insert this on the side of this. I think so anyway, maybe I'm wrong. Isn't that supposed to go in there like that?
Yeah, like.
What's it say? Yeah. Between rim and valve stem, turn, handle, quarter turn, pull, valve stem out. Yeah. So it's just being a pain. That's where you're supposed to do it. I hope it's the same size as a regular auto tire rim. I could be wrong. It might not be. Okay. Quarter turn. And then you're supposed to just yank her out of there. Ooh, that's tight. Oh. Look at that. It works. Okay.
Oh my God!
Wow. It actually did what it was supposed to do.
Oh my God!
Nice little tool.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, we lube up this one. We take the new valve stem. We screw it on here. So the hardest part is getting the old one out. Sometimes they'll break off. You might lose it in the tire, but it's not much weight. I wouldn't think it would affect anything for balance. Maybe it might make noise, but I doubt it. Okay, so we get this set up. Okay, and then we have this cone. You can back up just a little bit, but anyway, the cone goes right here. This goes right here, compresses it to put the new one in. Let me clean out a little bit of it. Make sure nothing's gonna affect it. And this is all you do.
Push for the cone.
Yeah. I make sure it's in there. I don't. Oh no. So I didn't get it enough. I didn't want to push it all the way through, but that shouldn't matter actually. I'll push it all the way through and then pull it back. That's what I'll do. Of course, we're going to edit all this stuff out that's no good. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Lube it up. Get it right where it needs to go.
Push it through.
Yeah.
Just push. Really hard.
Oh, come on. Oh, there it is. Ah!
Oh no!
Almost.
Oh,
The side. Dang it.
it's a little bit harder than we thought.
It's a little bit harder than I thought. Because I'm not using the right. I think I got to use something a little greasier. Lubricant wise. Here, let me get some. Come over here. They got this green stuff. Right here. It's called Superzilla, the Wonder Green product. Let's see if it works. See how good it is. All right. You can buy this on Amazon too. You can't buy this in stores. It works pretty good. Just I gotta hit this perfectly. That's my problem here. I guess I gotta twist it a little bit. There we go. I just wasn't using the tool right. See?
Mm,
There it is.
there you go.
You gotta twist and not hit it so hard. So that's on me. But that should be in there.
Brand new.
Yep. Yep. There we go. Let's air it up real quick. So 20 pounds or so in here.
Mm-hmm.
Spray around it. And no leaks.
No leaks at all. It's
Yeah.
fixed.
So what's our name again? What's our name for our website?
What?
Dad and a six pack. Dad.
Yep.
And what?
Dad and the six pack.
Dad and a six pack. Dad and the six pack? No, Dad and a six pack.
Dad and the six
Okay, you gotta look up at me. You can cut all that other stuff out. All right, that was another good one from Dad and the six pack. It's an easy one. Like I said, I'm a little rusty at it, but most people with any kind of handyman skills can get it done, and you don't have to break down a tire and do all that other stuff. I did that in the past on the old Dodge over there, and I never needed to do that if I would have found this product sooner, then I would have never had to break down my tire. Anyway, that's all for now. Signing off.